Today we're talking about some of my favorite miniatures on the market made by MGA's Miniverse. They have a couple of different lines of miniature collectible surprise toys. One is Make It Mini Food, they have a cafe line and a diner line, and now they have Make It Mini Lifestyle, which includes aquariums, plants, and candles. If you haven't heard of them, they are still a pretty new company. They're only about a year old, but they are under the MGA umbrella. MGA is the company that makes Bratz, Rainbow High, LOL OMG. They are honestly the most innovative toy company out there. Nobody does it like MGA. I got a first-hand look at these at Vidcon 2023 at the MGA's Miniverse booth. Hey MoodyBratz, welcome back to my page. Or if it's your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're considering buying yourself a toy, or you already have some and you've found my world of 1/6 scale miniatures and Bratz doll collecting. I am a life-size Bratz doll, if you couldn't already tell. Not all of the Miniverse pieces are exactly 1/6 scale. Some of them are a little big, but they still work really well for dolls like Bratz or Rainbow High or Barbie. I got to work as a waitress at MGA's Miniverse. I was helping people build capsules. I was clearing trash. Stay tuned on TikTok and Shorts because that's where I will be sharing the trash that I took home. And I'll also be opening the multi-pack they sent me home with, which I'll give you a preview of in this video. Basically, I was there as a waiter helping people with whatever they needed as far as making their own little builds. Pretty much the experience was they waited in line and then they got to the host, which was either Troy or Katie. Troy is who you'll recognize from their social media videos. He would let them know if there was a wait or not, and if there wasn't, he would let them know to come into the bar or wherever, and then they would come over to me and I'd give them their capsules and I'd let them know that everyone has been struggling to open them, so don't even worry, I'm here if you have questions. It was so fun to watch everybody build them. I haven't actually built one myself yet, but it kind of makes me actually want to see everybody make their own little creations. Like, that's one of the really cool things about Miniverse that makes them stand out from the competitors in the miniature collectible surprise world, because if you get a double, then you could just build it differently. So it's not a problem like it is with other competitors, you know what I mean? I'm just obsessed with the little tiny packages that all the ingredients come in. I love details and I love minis. Like, if you love minis, which I'm guessing you do, and that's probably why you're watching this video, like, you get it. You understand like how I feel and what I'm saying. Let me give you a breakdown of the whole booth. The booth was set up like a restaurant, and that was the whole theme of the experience. You would wait to be seated, you'd meet the host, you'd sit at either a booth or the bar, and then you'd get to enjoy your Miniverse. But they did send some out to go, so you see the cute little doggy bags with the little Sunny logo. People were getting to test out Diner and Cafe Series 2 and the brand new Lifestyle line. And check it out, the multi-pack and the Make It Mini kitchen that they had on display. This is the multi-pack I was talking about. Look at all those ingredients. I'll be opening that on TikTok and Shorts, so stay tuned. They also had the store display like full boxes of cafe and diner and lifestyle. And yes, that is a holiday one you can see right there. That is not even available yet. Those aren't even coming out until later in the year, but they did have beautiful builds of them on display in the booth. And look at the huge cereal bowl. This was a photo op. You could pose with the spoon, you could pose with the O's. Look how cute the restaurant looks. It was only this empty because this was actually before the show started. There was a line like wrapped around the booth pretty much the entire time that we were open. You can see the artwork is all obviously very on point to the Miniverse brand. This is the host stand that had some little displays, and this is where the line began, and they would meet up with Troy. This was the ovens, quote unquote, that we had to cure the builds that everyone was making. We did also use some UV flashlights, which I will show in a clip later, but the specials and the menu items that they had listed were actually items that you can build in either Series 2 or Series 1. And look at the little cactus. It's a little ode to the new Lifestyle line. So here we had some specials. Look at the icy, all the drinks, like the bobas from Series 1, little coffees. These were built by the design team for MGA's Miniverse, so that's why they all look incredible. Like, look at the little frozen moment with the pineapples. Look how cute the chips are. Look at the alphabet soup, y'all. And the chocolate-covered strawberries. Like, So cute. So simple, but so cute. That's the difference between cafe and diner, by the way. Cafe is a little simpler. There's less ingredients, there's less steps. And then diner is more ingredients, more steps. So those are kind of like more complicated, I guess you could say. But oh my goodness. They come together so beautifully. Look at the little doggy dogs with the little dog holder and the fruit cocktails and the little popcorn kernels and the churros. I'm sorry this isn't my best cinematography ever, y'all, but here are the close-ups of the holiday ones. Look at the Halloween ones. Look at the pumpkin pie and the little candied apples and the little pumpkin spice latte. Who doesn't love a pumpkin spice latte? And then look at these, the little gingerbread house and the little turkey with the little veggies. I mean, I'm vegan, but like those carrots, I would go in. And look at the ramen bowl. Look at the ravioli. Look at the pizza. Oh my gosh. And then, you know, we got some OGs from series 1 there too. Look at that huge stack of French toast. How cute. But look at the little banana split, the little ice cream scooper, the little cake. The little spilled hot chocolate. These designers really slayed. Like, these are the most beautiful builds I've ever seen. But I know what you really want to see is the gift shop. These are the lifestyle ones. They are so cute. The little animals that you can get, like, for the aquariums, the little turtle and the little plants. The little plants are kinetic sand, so if you want to switch and change and repot your plants later, you can. It's not as permanent as the other resin toys, which, by the way, yes, these are resin toys, so they are for 8 and up, so they are not for little kiddos. If you're wondering about those adorable little shelves that things are being displayed on here for the gift shop lifestyle stuff, those are actually the capsules. The capsule transforms into a cute little shelf for display. MGA really thinks of everything. You can really reuse their capsules. So here you can see the place was totally packed. There was so many kids, there were so many people. Everyone was like having a great time. Everyone was building their minis. There was a huge line all day, as you can see, but people were willing to wait. They wanted to get those minis, and I don't blame them. So here is like a nice wide shot of everything going on. People are sitting at the table making their builds. People are posing in the cereal bowl. It was such an adorable prop. But if you stole one of those O's because somebody stole some, somebody even broke some out and stole them, not cool, not cool. Don't do that. Sunglass Cat also stopped by. That was really cool. I did get to pet him. It was very sweet. So the way the booth was set up, you really were immersed in the world of Miniverse because everything looked like a cartoon Miniverse kitchen. Here you can see people working on their builds. Everybody was doing great, and look how cute the ramen is. That was the one I really want, like the little noodles and all the little tiny pieces that it comes with. Oh, and it comes with like the furikake like seasoning. Is that how you pronounce it? Oh my gosh. Definitely watching everybody make them makes you want to give it a try. So maybe once I open all of the capsules I have, because shout out to MGA's Miniverse for sending me some in a PR package. I have a few that I haven't opened. So we'll probably open them all and stock the fridge, and then maybe we'll decide to build one. I don't know. But look how cute the ramen is. I might have to build the ramen if I got the ramen, because I also got sent home with a Diner Series 2 capsule, and that is where the ramen is. Look at that little bundt cake. Oh my gosh, those little lemon slices. I know what you really want to see though is how do they fit with a Bratz doll? Well, have no worries because I brought Lola Felicia. So she is holding one of the lifestyle minis here. She's got the little shovel in her hand and she has one of the little hanging plants in her other hand. I think it's a really good fit. And here she is with the little pizza. She's holding the little rotating cutter like it comes with a pizza knife. Like, yeah. Oh my gosh, I want to go freaking put this in my little oven of my little kitchen. The pizza is definitely a good fit for the Bratz. Honestly, most of the food is a good fit for the Bratz. Look, here she is next to the holiday stuff. The drinks are a little big for the Bratz. From what I've seen in pictures, the drinks are good for Rainbow High, but I don't have any Rainbow High dolls, to be honest. But I know that they're bigger than Bratz, so I think like that's why they might work. These holiday series ones are so cute. I'm about to lose my mind. Oh my gosh, she loves it. And of course I did bring her because she's got so much yellow in her, and yellow is like MGA's Miniverse color, like is like their color, you know? Getting to be a part of it was such a fun experience. Everyone I got to meet and work with was so nice. Leah, Taylor, Monica, Troy, Katie, everyone. Also to get to see all of those minis in person. The design team built them, and of course they did amazing, like no surprise. So don't feel bad if yours don't look like that, because it's literally their job. I hope I get to work with them more and do other collaborations with them. I truly love MGA. I have been a Bratz girl since I was a kid. I love this new miniature branch that they have, because minis, oh, what a time to be alive and be a miniature collector, because like the minis are so good. So good these days. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, hit subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell. I put out new videos every Wednesday for the most part. I think this one is actually coming out on a Wednesday. How about that? If you want videos to come out more frequently, support the show with a donation at the link below. Stay tuned for washing up some more Bratz and some summer restyle like logic inspo. I have a video coming out where I go through why I chose each piece for these summer restyles. I put out new videos almost daily on TikTok and Instagram, so follow me there as well. It's TheMoodyBratz on all platforms, but it is listed below as well. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the booth. What do you think was the coolest detail? For me, I think it was seeing all of the little minis built with like the little like frozen moment situations. It was like, the design team really slayed on all of the displays. Although the large cereal bowl that you could pose for pictures in was also pretty awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.